Welcome back. I thought I'd do a really quick rundown of all the parts and the prices that I'm using to build this poorly planned gem project. So here we go. String pegs, £5. A set of acoustic strings, £4.25. Two slightly different sized saddles and they were £4 each. £7 for a bridge. Pair of strap buttons for £3.50. Set of 6 tuners, there's 3 in the bag, there are 6 in total, they were £12. £6 for some ferrules and some neck screws. £6 for a locking nut. If you don't want to make your own neck, then it's about £85 for a replica Chinese neck on eBay. So it's a bargain to me, especially for a 5-piece neck like that. It's a better job than I could do. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than I can knock up in the shed. And that's the super quick breakdown of the price of all the parts. If you're looking to build your own, I hope it's swayed you one way or another. You really can spend as much or as little as you like on guitar parts. I mean, I'm probably at the bottom end of the scale. You probably don't want to be right at the very bottom, you want to be a little bit higher because the quality difference is huge there from that kind of bottom end to a little bit better. However, I don't need good machine heads and good tuners with a locking nut. If you don't want to have the locking nut, I would buy better machine heads just to keep the tuning perfect. Otherwise, you're going to have a nightmare with it going out of tune. It might do anyway. And it might not be down to the machine heads on this guitar, it's probably more down to how I've built it. But yeah, that's just a quick overview of the price of all the parts. The total for all the parts that I need and I'm using is about £50. Once you've added the neck in, you're looking at about £130. Again, you can buy a real Ibanez neck like this one off a broken guitar, and this was about £50. It's probably a much better neck than the Chinese replicas, to be fair. If you're going to go that route and you want a better guitar, I would possibly go this route, but I'm using this on another project and that's what I had lying around that I decided not to use on that one. The sky is the limit on parts. If you want a better guitar, spend more money. If you just want a project to kind of kill some time like I'm doing it, then cheap and cheerful. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time.